Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to swap heads in Photoshop. So basically going to be showing you multiple Photoshops platforms out there, and one of the best platform that I use. So there's a lot actually here on when you try to search it. See, there's a lot here underneath here, and all of them I prefer the ones that are rated 5 stars. And also to watch here, people also ask this one right here, because these are the majority questions asked that have been compiled by Google. Okay, so these questions really do matter because a lot of people have been asking them, so that's why they appear here on this prompt right here. Okay, so Fix AI. It's going to be referring a bunch of sites and a bunch of platforms. I'm going to be showing you 2 of my favorites, and also let's dig deep a little bit about AI and when it comes to the actual editing. So AI face swap online is also a good one to start. You can sign up or log in. It's completely free, the PIXLR. Okay, it's really beautiful. There's a lot of you can see their options here on what you can do with their platform. Basically, you have batch editor. Not a lot of AI editor has that. Okay, face swap is what we're looking for. You also have face swap here. You upload a face and then you upload a target. That's basically how this one works. We're going to be using a photo that's free and stock image just for copyright. Prevents us from copywriting. Unfortunately, this is the only photo that I got for free. It's really hard to get one with faces as clear as this. I really had to give full credentials to the full credit to the people on pic, but with stock photos you could just use it. You could sign it here with Facebook, Apple, and Google as well. Okay, so let's try to sign up on Google. Boom, and there you have it. There's free versions, and there's also the ones with the perks, which is the premium. Now on the free version you can basically do the face swap, okay, because this is sort of like a default editing spectrum from their side. Again, upload a target image once you've uploaded a face, and it'll automatically do the work for you. I'm just going to do the same images here just for context. Okay, we don't really have free image, so once you get 2 images here, it'll automatically face swap the photo. You get the concept. That's basically it, and that's how quick and simple and easy it is. You don't even need to pay for this. There's a lot of platforms out there that requires you to actually pay, but this one's free. The plans are not free, but the face swap itself is 100% free, and that's what I'm using right now. Okay, obviously I'm using 2 photos, the same photo, so that's why it doesn't seem to work. So basically it. Next, I'm going to be showing you another platform here that I also use frequently, especially in projects. Okay, yeah, face swap. I'm going to need this face swap online free. And the beautiful thing about this domain right here is they already have free photos for you to use as reference. Okay, so again, same concept. You upload an image and then upload a swap image where the face that you're going to be needing to upload here, or the projects that you need to swap on. Okay, so really don't have any stock images for faces, so I'm going to be using, instead of just using this photos that I use, I'm going to be using this free photos that they have here. Let's just wait for it to do their magic here, basically. That's the beautiful thing about AI, is you don't have to do anything now. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and let the computer do the work for you, basically. So let's pick a target image here. So 2 images. I'm going to swap their faces or combine their faces, basically. So let's just wait for it to load. Here you go. So what recently was the face of a woman has now been swapped with this image of a man's face, which is kind of uncanny in a way. Seems off. Anyway, that's just it. You could upload a bunch of photos here. Any photos would do. Okay, you could sign in or just basically do this for free. So when you click swap here, I maybe do need to sign in here, so you get a free swap, I think. So that's just what we're going to find out right now. So it's going to load here. Let's just wait for it a little bit too. Oh yeah, here we go. It's actually free to do a couple of swaps. Okay. So yeah, that's just it. So face swap online, totally free, and this is the domain's basically almanac of the domain. So where you could watch and switch your faces with someone else's. Okay, that's basic info right here. Multiple face swaps. So these are the capacity of this platform that we are using right now. We also have video face swap, famous celebrities, you could swap them with your face. That's fun. AI has never been this advanced before, so I do believe that we are in times where AI is really getting better. Batch, face swap, a lot of photos, you could face swap them all, really. So yeah, that's it. Very important for projects, especially if you have projects or you're avoiding copyright for copyright reasons, you know. That's just basically it. You're going to be creating your profile pictures off of this. So one of the useful tips, especially in the e-commerce community, if you guys haven't doubled in already. So we have positive reviews here. Yep, here we go. Ideally from influential people. This one, so we got facts about AI. Yeah, basic stuff. What is face swap? We've been through all of that before. Okay. So yeah, that's just basically, is face swap legit? Of course it is. That's just basically it. We've covered it on the video. Now, I think, on my opinion, AI has really revolutionized the way we edit things online, you know? One reason, of course, is the efficiency. So AI photo editing tools can automate, repetitive tasks such as retouching, color correction, or background removal. It's basically anything you could think of. Okay, and saving the time for photographers and editors, basically. So especially accuracy, AI algorithms can perform very precise adjustments or almost 100% precise based on image analysis, ensuring consistent results and minimizing human error. Okay, so they also often come with advanced features like stock transfer and artistic filters and scene generation, allowing users to explore new creative possibilities and achieve unique looks on certain projects. Okay, so it's often designed with user-friendly interfaces, making complex editing techniques, resizing, sorting, especially sorting. Okay, really important on my part as an editor, and tagging. Okay, so it offers also customization presets and intelligent suggestion based on user preferences, enabling photographers to achieve their desires basically on this one. So special consistency, so AI powered editing ensures consistency across a series of images, basically maintaining a cohesive look for projects such as photo albums, social media, etc., feeds, marketing campaigns, such as those, basically. So gives you accessibility, and that's what's beautiful about AI. Okay, algorithms can process in large batches of images very, very quickly, and making them ideal for tasks like bulk resizing, sorting, and tagging, and in this case face swap as one of our sample projects here. So I certainly hope that I've covered some major topics here. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.